Hello, welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In this video, we will see some important shortcuts in Jupyter Notebook which will be very helpful for you while writing programs in the notebook. Here I have written a small program in which x is given a string, y is given a number, z is given a number, a is equal to z plus y, and print a 7 plus 7 14. Okay, first one is if you click escape, then it will take you to command mode where you can navigate around your notebook with arrow keys. So I am clicking escape. Now you can see you can go from one cell to another cell. Now escape plus A. Now I'm in line 5. I need a cell above that. So click escape and A. So above the line 5, one new line is formed. Now if you want to create a cell below line 5, escape. Now we have selected on line 7, and escape B, below, above and below, A, B line is formed. Then if you want to delete this one, go to the cell that you need to delete, escape D plus D. Okay, escape plus D plus D. So click D twice plus escape, that cell will be deleted. Now if you want to take from command mode to edit mode for a given cell, click enter. Click enter. So now I have clicked enter. Now I can edit something. Okay, so you can see here and it z is equal to 67. I changed that one. Okay. So if you click escape, I click escape. Now it comes to command mode. Again, if I click enter, it will come to the edit mode. Now I need to split a cell at objects. So what I should do is click Control Shift and minus. Okay. Control Shift minus. So now you can see the cell has been split at the selected point. Okay. So 3D, x equal to 3D will be one cell and object will be another cell. Now escape plus F will find and replace on your code but not the output. Okay, we'll see that. Click escape plus F, find I'll tell O. Okay, so there is O here. Okay, I am going to replace O by small letter O. So you can see here, before it was capital letter O on the starting of the objects. Okay, now it becomes small letter O. If I want to change y equal to, I click line 4. Okay, escape plus F, I selected y. Okay, now I want to change y to B, so replace it with B. Okay, and click replace all. Now you can see it becomes B. In place of y, it becomes B. Next one is shift plus, I'll show you shift plus down. Okay. So I selected this one. I am going to click shift plus down. So here you can see I have clicked shift and down arrow. So whatever cells I am going through, it is selecting. Okay, if you go up, it will become deselect. So it is going down and selecting all the lines, okay, which is going through. That is shift plus down arrow. Now how to merge two files, that is shift plus M. Okay, I'm going to click shift M, not edit mode, come to command mode, then click shift plus M. So now you can see objects and B equal to 10, two cells will merge each other. Okay, now if you select this one, okay, so now I have selected 4. I think you got that idea. So now what I can do is I come to the command mode, click shift and down arrow. I have selected 3 cells. Okay, x equal to 3D, that cell, a equal to z plus y, and print a. Now click shift plus M. Now all those cells are merged, it becomes one cell. Then if you want to delete, cut, paste, run, for example, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, print x plus y. Okay. For run, click shift plus enter or control plus enter. Select the cell to run and click shift plus enter or control plus enter. Now if you want to delete that one, cut, copy or something, click on the cell, use Ctrl C, Control X and Control V. Control C for copy, Control X plus Control X for cut, and Control V for paste. That is same as our Word file when we use Word. So these are some handy tools, handy shortcuts while using the Jupyter Notebook. So you can go to help section. There you can see many shortcuts will be there. Okay, so one thing is this one. Now, if you find this not helpful to you, you can edit the keyboard shortcut also. For each function, you can edit the shortcuts and customize your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so now we have seen some important shortcuts in Jupyter Notebook. So if you have any doubts or suggestions, please write in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.